Name of the game, I guess. Worm snake. Cool. Little guy. Worm snake on the board. See you later, buddy. See? Yeah, there you go. Southern ringneck. Nice. Look at that. Alright. See you later, buddy.
Someone got that door.
Alright, so I already know it's under here. We already flipped it. But we're going to move this and reveal it. But, oh, look at that, dude. That is awesome. Look at the little corner it's fitting right here.
Oh, incredible.
I broke one of those or both of them. I think I... Go for it, Ted.
Yeah, I built a roof, and then got my life for Eastern king snake.
You got one?
Oh, wow.
No way.
Yeah, right?
Ted, John just got one.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's awesome.
Wow.
No freaking way.
Hey, maybe there's another in there.
That would be awesome. Very nice. Yeah, that's crazy cool. Oh my god, double racer.
Ah, it hurts.
It's
cool.
Yay! Come here.
Alright, let him go. Get back in the car.
Go. This guy's in the shed.
Do not eat me, please.